Okay, it's been ages since I've been out, and right now we're here at Wilson's prom, and yeah, you see that nice view. So yeah, it's kind of windy today, and yeah, it's nice to be out. So let's go explore. Okay, hello guys. So I'm here at Whiskey Bay, and it's kind of loud right now, but yeah, check out the beach. And yeah, so look at my hair. It's like, it's because of the wind. Like, what the heck? It's really windy today. So yeah, we're here at Whiskey Bay, and I'm with Mitching and Laura, and everything's fun today. So we're just hanging out right now, and I'm happy to be back. Oh, what's that? Let's check what that is. There we are. I love being in the beach right now, even though it's a bit cold today. So yeah, nice to be here. I was just hanging around and look at the reflections. You can see the reflections in the water. Like, look at that. So I haven't tested this this setup for vlogging lately, and yeah, it's now that we're out, I'm testing it. And the thing is, I might need the other ND filter, because this one needs, it's so bright today, and it's not that bad yet, but yeah, my hair is standing. It's a bit windy today, a bit cold, but all good. So yeah, we're here at Whiskey Bay, Wilson's prom. Very nice place. Nice to be outside again. Mitching at the back, Laura over there, and yeah, it's been a while. I'm just trying to figure out the lighting, because the lighting's really weird, and I haven't been vlogging in a wide camera like this. But yeah, hi Laura. Yeah. See, my hair is standing again. It's so windy right here, and I don't know if you can hear me. It's like too noisy. And look at down there. It's so cool. Look at the water part. Look at that. I gotta get used to having this ND filter, because I'm manually focusing. But yeah, we're all good. This is a nice place. Look at, there's Laura there. Yeah. Na sila, naog na sila. Okay, we're now in the Squeaky Beach. So this beach here, whenever you step on sand, it's kind of squeak, so that's how it's called Squeaky Beach. But it's just a beach. That's just it. Should have got the other ND filter, because the sun's horrendous right now. It's really bad. It's so blown out. I don't know. Yeah. Squeaky Beach. There's Laura and Mitching over there. And yes, So we're still at Squeaky Beach right now. So when you're stressed and you just want to go out, just social distance, that's fine. Here, social distancing. My hair is standing up. But yeah, it's nice to be out here and just being outdoors. Yeah. But again, the bar is still out there, so social distancing is still important. What? These guys here. Hey guys, so yeah, we're here at Squeaky Beach right now, and it's nice to be outdoors. Should be breathing my left mic. It's, I doubt if you can hear me. Microphone's there, I'm shouting, it's kind of windy. Yeah, it's nice to be here. Exploring there. There's a big sand dune over here in my back. Just chilling, man. It's nice. Yeah. Currently at the tidal river, and yeah, sun's good. It's a bit cold, not that cold, but it's cool. It's around 17 degrees right now, and yeah, I'm holding is my hand, and yes, just coming over here and just strolling around. And Brie and Aldi, I look like an uncle, but yeah, it's nice to be back outdoors. And we're planning to go over at Mount Oberon, over there, up there. The thing is, yeah, I think we don't have much time, so we'll try to choose either going to Mount Oberon or we go there at the Big Drift. So we'll see. My hair keeps on standing. Should have brought the long one, but anyway, the long head thingy. Anyway, yeah, gotta go. Hey friends, we're hiking right now. I have Mitching and Laura with me. Hey friends. I'm vlogger. Hey guys. Pagkapuy na sila, bay. Pagkapuy na sila. Hey guys, we're hiking at Mount Oberon right now, and Mitching has a stick. She's gonna hit me anytime soon. She didn't expect this hike here, so yeah, there she is. I'm with Laura right now, and yeah, we're nearing the summit. This is Mitching's first climb, and this is gonna remind Michelle about our hike last time. So yeah, my goodness, nobody's gonna join us hiking again, but yeah. Hi friends. I can feel Mitching's hatred with us earth right now. She's stomping the cane heavily. I think she's gonna stomp it to me anytime soon, so I gotta be careful. Yes. Ching, kumusta?
Malikas, Ching. No comment. Malikas, Ching.
Next in Survivor.
So meaning dakag signal dire.
Tingali.
Patawag na si Mitching.
Next in Survivor. We are here walking right now, and yes, that is. Nanak nami. Hapit na gini Ching, hapit na. Lord, hapit na Lord Ching, hapit na.
Nag-dress raman mi kay dagat naman ta naron.
What? Still recovering on how to vlog, so vlog today is not gonna be good. not gonna be perfect, but it's still a vlog. I'm also mixing my Bisaya vlog today, so that's how it's gonna go. Yeah. Okay, we're in the tidal river right now, and yeah, haven't been place any effort in my videos right now because I'm so lazy. I have Mitching here with me, and I also have Laura there. That's it. So yeah, we're just here at the tidal river, and yeah, it's nice. It's nice to be out here again, vlogging, not really vlogging, but just going out and just enjoying the sun and everything else. So yeah, whenever you're tired, whenever you're stressed out, just go out and just enjoy. Nice. Look. Okay, I'm standing. I need to go now. So we just found a wombat here.
Tawagan ako mga anak di.
That is
Ako
wombat
pakita ako.
there.
Nara ba manggawas ra.
Okay, hi Ching. Hi to you. Hi friends.
Hi friend.
We're here. We're watching a wombat eat.
So look at that kuya, nag-eat siya grass, no?
Oh, what